Hi, and welcome to this week's AI tip of the day. And today I want to talk to you about Perplexity. Perplexity has been around for a while, and they just introduced something that is about to give Claude Cowork and some of the other tools like OpenClaw a run for its money. It's called Perplexity Computer. So Perplexity Computer is a tool very similar to Claude Cowork, where you connect to resources such as your Gmail, your calendar, your Asana, whatever tools you use, and there are literally hundreds of connectors. And then you create tasks and automations to have it actually do work for you. Everything lives in the cloud. So if you go to Perplexity AI/computer, you get all the information, try it for free. This is one of those tools, just like Claude Cowork, that allows you to actually get work done. And especially if you're a real estate professional, you don't want to spend a lot of time configuring technology, this is a valid option for you. There are more and more providers that are rolling out integrated tools that allow you to get things done. And I think these are the two trends in AI right now. Number one, hosting AI on your desktop yourself. So NVIDIA just came out with a wrapper for OpenClaw. OpenClaw, which has been around for just under 5 months, is exploding all over the scene, and virtually every major technology company is aligning with OpenClaw. It's about as significant as the Windows operating system or the Linux operating system with respect to computing. And there are other companies offering tools. NVIDIA just is really pushing the Spark desktop workstation. It's about $4,600 to host your AI locally. And OpenClaw can be run on pretty much anything. So that's trend number one, to host your AI yourself. You own the data. And if your computer is powerful enough, you'll be able to avoid the entire mess of having to pay for APIs and tokens. So that's a glimpse at the future. The second aspect, or the second strategy, is for companies like Anthropic with their Claude Cowork, and Perplexity with Perplexity Computer, and others to follow. I mentioned some of them like Victor just recently, that are offering virtual tools that are hosted in the cloud. You don't have to configure anything or very, very little, and it just works with your tools to get work done. So these things are moving rapidly. I mean, I'm talking about things that used to take a decade are literally now happening within weeks and months. And so you need to make sure that you stay informed. I just launched a AI intelligence brief that I post daily on my Twitter account or X account. My handle is Thomas Hyman. So check it out and just stay in the loop, stay informed. And if you're interested in OpenClaw, I launched yesterday a Building in Public series where I'm literally showing what I'm doing, the tools that I'm working with, the automations that I'm creating, a lot of it with a view towards real estate and title, but also just business in general. And there's some really, really exciting things coming down the pike. But for right now, I want to highlight Perplexity Computer. If you can't find it, just Google it, Perplexity Computer. Spend maybe half an hour to familiarize yourself with it, create an account. You can start free and just see if this is not something that can help you with your business. I'm also doing my Thursday webinar series, which I rebranded from Real Estate AI Breakthrough to just AI Breakthrough. It's every Thursday at 2 p.m. And I'm posting those also onto my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/@Thomas Hyman. And these are all designed to keep you in the loop and give you some real world examples of what I'm using right now, what others are using to get actual work done. So this is not about, chatting with ChatGPT as another friend, or, looking up recipes or asking silly questions. This is about actually getting work done. And what Claude Cowork started and what Perplexity Computer is picking up on now are tools that actually allow you as a non-programmer to get actual work done. So I invite you to check it out. It's Friday, so maybe this weekend, spend an hour or two and learn about these amazing tools, and follow me on Twitter read the daily AI intelligence brief to stay in the loop with respect to what's going on. That's my AI tip of the week for today. I'm Thomas Hyman, CEO of Claude Title. And if you have any questions, comments, please reach out to me, message me. And I still have a Claude Cowork Getting Started guide that I created. It's totally up to date. If you want to have it, DM me, Claude, and I will send it to you.